To send money from Taptap Send to Pakistan, you will need to follow a series of simple steps. First, ensure you have the Taptap Send app installed on your device and that you are registered with a valid account. If you do not have an account, you can easily create one by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Send Money section of the app. Here, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's details, including their name, email address, and phone number, as well as the amount you wish to send. Make sure to select Pakistan as the recipient's country. Next, choose the delivery method for the funds. Taptap Send offers multiple options, including bank deposit, cash pickup, and mobile wallet. For bank deposit, you will need to provide the recipient's bank account details, including the account number and bank name. For cash pickup, you will need to provide the recipient's location and the cash pickup point. After selecting the delivery method, review the transaction details, including the exchange rate, fees, and total amount to be received by the recipient. Taptap Send is known for its competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective option for sending money to Pakistan. To complete the transaction, you will need to fund the transfer using a debit or credit card, or other accepted payment methods. Once the transaction is processed, the recipient will receive the funds in their bank account, cash pickup location, or mobile wallet, depending on the chosen delivery method. It is essential to note that Taptap Send has a robust security system in place to protect your transactions and personal information. The app also offers customer support in case you encounter any issues during the transfer process. To ensure a smooth and successful transaction, make sure to provide accurate recipient details and to comply with Taptap Send's terms and conditions. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits and required documents, such as identification proof, that may be necessary for certain transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily send money from Taptap Send to Pakistan, providing a convenient and reliable way to support your loved ones or conduct business transactions.